this is not the type of video I wanted to record today. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you a little backstory. We were unemployed at the end of March, so we decided we're gonna start day trading stocks in order to bring in some income. And over the last couple months, we were steadily bringing in some income. We were actually last week, I think we were topping around $8,000 to $9,000 in profits, which was great, you know, and these were day trades, in and out trades, so everything was going good. And also, you guys might know, when I got unemployed, I picked up 4 vodka bottles of Grey Goose, and at this point in time, we are narrowing it down to 2, so we're gonna have to make an errand real quick. Anyway, with trading, there's good days, there's bad days, and you know, I told you guys I wasn't gonna make a video if I'm a sore loser day trading stocks. But unfortunately, you know, I decided to just be transparent and show you guys what's really happening in the stock market, what can happen to somebody that you might know. So, really bad week, really bad week. I'm just going to show you guys the statistics right over here. This week, we are sore losers. We are getting destroyed here. We are $11,000 down. This week, guys, we are sore losers. We started shorting the market. Me and my boys started shorting the market. Me and my other boys started shorting the market. And we were like,
yo, if we're all shorting the market, you know we're all wrong.
Because typically that happens. When we're all on the same page and agree on something, we're wrong. And this is exactly what happened. $11,000 down as of now. The stock market is not even closed yet. Today is Friday afternoon. And it was much worse earlier in the morning. So it's going to be a tough pill to swallow. So my year-to-date return is actually on the negative. And it's so sad to see, you know, putting in all the hours, day trading, day in, day out for 2-3 months. And then one trade, one big trade knocks you out. Wipes all that hard work out. Very, very frustrating. And it's a hard pill to swallow. I'm thinking I'm having COVID symptoms, but no, I'm having stress symptoms and the shortness of breath due to stress. But that's okay. We got our antidote right there, right? The only antidote. So right in front of me, guys, is the S&P 500, and it is absolutely destroying short sellers right now. So we went short right around this level, thinking we won't be able to break up over there. This was also a Fibonacci retracement. If you take the Fibonacci tool, get the top and the bottom of the down at all, and it's just like, what's going on? Why are people buying? Y'all ridiculous? Or am I ridiculous? So it's two different things to be a day trader and a swing trader or an investor. So with Webull, you get a free paper trading account, which is practice trading with fake money. And when the market was down 2 months ago, I put in about $20,000. And I'm looking at these statistics now, and I haven't touched this account. I haven't traded nothing. I just simply bought, put in $20,000 at that one price. And right now we're looking at it, and the returns are crazy, guys, without putting any effort into watching the stock market, day trading, going in and out of stocks. We are up 50% from the initial investment on our fake account, doing no work. While day trading, again, day in, day out. When the market opens, you're up and ready to and you're out there trading, watching stocks, watching opportunities till 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Sometimes you're in there after hours. And we just about, before this last trade, we were up just about $9,000-$10,000 as well. So it's crazy. Sometimes it's better to be an investor and still live life, enjoy life while making money. I chose the day trading life. You know, it's just more comforting to sleep at night when you can cash out your money and you don't have to worry about nothing. But
hell, I'll tell you what, we ain't gonna be sleeping for some time now.
Alright guys, quick video. I'm just gonna sum it up. We won't be doing any more trading recaps until I am able to get out of this stock. And from the looks of things and how aggressively the market was going up and my stock sold off, it might be forever and ever. And the money we are losing is just gonna keep trickling and trickling down until it disappears, because that's what this ETF does. It's a depreciating asset. It has time decay. So the longer I stay in it, the more and more money I waste. But we'll see. If I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna go out with a bang. All my money out, poof, evaporated. So On that note, guys, thanks for watching. Show some love, subscribe to the channel, like the dang video, and we'll see you on the future videos. Also, this is a very big buzzkill, so I don't know how I'm going to be uploading future YouTube content. I am going to just upload whatever I already recorded just to get it out of the way. But you know, it's really hard to film videos and make new videos and be enthused about it, what you're doing, when you know deep down in hell you're a sore loser holding a stock that you don't know what's gonna happen. Anyway, that's the story. Y'all know what I'm talking about. If you're traders, day traders, we all had our bags we had to carry. Fortunately, another one, a big one on our shoulders right now. I'll catch you guys. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own.